What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can upload a video on IGTV. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app is launched, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to add a video. Now you have to select a video which is over a minute long. Otherwise it will not go to the IGTV. Now let me look for a video. I'll select this one. And then tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. Now select long video and then tap on continue. Now you have to select a frame for the cover. When you are done, tap next on top right corner. Now add a title to the video. Add a description if you want to. If you're launching a series, then you can add this video to a series. You can post a preview to your profile feed. If you want to post it on Facebook, then enable Make Visible on Facebook. And then when your Facebook is connected, then tap on Done. When you are ready to go, tap on Post to IGTV. And when the video is uploaded, it will upload on your IGTV. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.